What is the probability of knowing what is going to happen after the elections, right? This chart right here shows us exactly what usually happens after every election. This is the chart of the US Russell 2000. Now, why we're using the US Russell 2000? Because the US Russell 2000 is a stock market index that measures the performance of 2000 smaller companies. As you can see, it's better used compared to the S&P 500 because it's a bellwether for the US economy. So through that chart, you can judge whether the US economy is doing fine. And right here, I have marked every single place where we had elections, or probably in the last 3 elections. As you can see in 2012, right here, this was after the elections. We saw that the Russell 2000 saw a massive pump to the upside. The same thing happened in 2016 when Trump won. We saw another push to the upside. 2012 was Obama. We saw a push to the upside. 2016 was Trump. We saw a push to the upside. 2020 was Joe Biden. We saw a massive push to the upside. And what has happened to Bitcoin in those periods? We can see the same thing has happened to Bitcoin, or basically the crypto market. After every elections, we usually see a massive pump right here in the crypto market, right? So as you can see in 2012 when Obama won, we can see that massive pump which we had in the crypto market right here for Bitcoin, or basically crypto in general. The same thing we saw in 2016 when Trump won. We saw a massive push to the upside right here in the crypto market. The same thing happened in 2020. We saw another massive push to the upside. So basically, we can safe to say that usually after elections, we usually see a massive push to the upside. Now, we want to estimate what could happen after this election and what could we see the price prediction right here for this coin. So for VECHAIN, we're on the chart for VECHAIN, or VECHAIN VET versus the USD Theta on the weekly time frame. And if our election theory is anything to go by, which means after every elections, we usually see a massive pump for the crypto market in general. And if we are expecting that pump generally from the crypto market, the minimum we should expect right here for VECHAIN could be a push towards our former highs which we had in 2023. That could be a push of about 200% towards that 5 cents level. Currently we are at the 1 cent level, so if we see a push towards those 5 cents level right here for VECHAIN, take note, this is the minimum we could see. We could still see higher, but this is the minimum we are expecting. If we see a push towards those levels, we could see VECHAIN right here at those levels which we saw in 2024, early 2024, which is around the 5 cents level before December. So this is what we should expect if the election theory plays, or the post-election theory plays out exactly as predicted. Let's see how that goes. So click on the like button so that we would be giving you updates as regards that. Thank you for watching and have a blessed week.